How to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress theme designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of this platform and the business owners in here. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to find a WordPress theme designer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search by skills categories. It's where you can find every skill you're searching for. So let's give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to check all of the skills that are available in here. So I don't know if the WordPress theme designer skill will be available in websites, IT and software, or it will be in the design category. But let's just check in here. Let's check the letter W. Here we have V, W, watch, web application, web flow, webpack, website development, optimization, Windows, WordPress multilingual, WordPress plugin. I don't think WordPress plugin, the plugins and themes are very different things. So I think we will find it in the design category. So here, let's go to the W again. WordPress design. So this is the skill we're searching for. So let's go with it. WordPress design, hire expert WordPress designers for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here, let's see more WordPress designers. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people in order to showcase your skills in this platform. So let's check some of these people's profile just to show you what you're going to learn in depth in today's video. There we have WordPress branding graphic, winning web expert, WordPress, Joomla and more. Let's check this man's profile. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how you can add your own profile picture, how to add your cover photo as well. And also, I'm going to show you how you can add your description to the profile. And the description is very important, guys, because the clients read your description in order to understand you and understand your mentality. And the mindset is very important. Make sure to give or to enter a decent description for your profile. And then I'm going to show you how you can add your hourly rate and how to have all of these verifications in check, and how to add also your description, because the description, I'm going to show you how you can add your portfolio. The portfolio as well is very important. You can't hire someone without even knowing the kind of job that he can deliver to you. So that's important to have a portfolio. And I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills as well. So let's go back to the main page. Let's close these ones and click on the logo in here to go to the first page. And here, click on Earn Money Freelancing. Then you will proceed to fill in the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password. Then click on Login. And here, let's wait for it to load. And this is your dashboard. This is where you can control everything about your profile. So let's go to your top right. It's where you can control your account and your finances. And here in your account, you can check your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, it's easy to control them. You can check your balance anytime. You can add funds, you can withdraw funds, you can check your transaction history and your financial dashboard, and also your payment sharing. So let's go up to view our profile. For now, we need to make a lot of adjustments to it. So here, as you can see, the profile is pretty empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, and all of those things. So let's go to edit the profile in here. And here, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to verify your email. Then you proceed to enter in a profile picture. It's very important because there is no client who will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you proceed to add in your cover photo. After that, you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity too through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. And then verify your payment method, verify your phone number as well, and the email, we've talked about it before, and connect your Facebook account too. After that, you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. Then enter your professional headline as well. Then you proceed to the summary. It's where you're going to enter your description, where you're going to talk about yourself, your skills, the previous experience you've had, the years, how many years of experience you have doing this skill, and those sort of stuff. After that, you proceed to enter in your top skills. So here, let's remove this one. You can add up to 20 skills. Let's add our skills in here. Let's remove designer, WordPress theme. Let's remove theme as well. And here we have WordPress design, and let's remove those, and let's go with theme to see what else we can find. So there is nothing found in this skill. So here, scroll down and click on save. Then when you're done with making all of these changes, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse, click on projects, and here you can see all of the posted jobs. If you like one, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.